Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing great. As you can see, I am super tired. I just came back from work like 30 minutes ago or so. I'm just so tired. The traffic was a lot. I couldn't get a ride on time. So what I'm just going to do today is just clean up my makeup and just try something new because so I've been breaking out recently, which is not really me. I'm not someone to have like pimples and spots. It's really rare for me to have those on my face. So it's weird that I'm beginning to have them now. It's actually really weird, to be honestly. My face started breaking out like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and at first it started like a joke. I didn't take it serious because I didn't know it would be serious. So I'm really surprised that I'm going through this. Oh my god. So I just want to try the ice block method to see what it will do for my face. Today is actually the first time I'm trying it. Oh man, and it's not like I'm always under sun. I know you have to. I don't know much about sunscreen, but obviously I think you have to wear it when you're always going under the sun. I'm not always under the sun because I leave the house very early, like around 6:30, or before 6:30. Sometimes 5. I'm out of the house, and then at work AC throughout because I'm the front desk officer, so everywhere has to be cold at the reception. So I'm not always on that sun, and after work it's evening. I take a ride home, and the ride there's AC, and then I get home. So it's not like I'm always on that sun. So I'm really trying to understand what's going on, honestly. I'm really trying to understand it. So I just want to try the ice block method and just see what it will do for me for now. I'm really tired. Oh man, this is so good. Oh, it feels lovely. Oh. Yeah. This feels so soothing. So oh. I love how this feels. I think this one is tired already, so let me take the camera. And yeah, I forgot to say this is the 8th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos, baby, and consistency, man. I like it. I'm really glad, even though it's the 8th day, it's not close to 100 days, but I'm really glad, and please subscribe so that you don't miss a video, and also so that you're part of my YouTube family. I really love it if you stay by subscribing. I really love it. Woo! Okay, I'm done, man. I'm iced out. Feel me? My skin feels really cool, honestly. It just feels very cozy, not cozy, very soothing. Yeah, it just feels soothing. Oh, I still feel the ice effect though. Yeah, I like it. I like the feeling. I don't know if it's going to work, but I actually like the feeling. I like how my skin feels right now. Okay, everybody. So this is it. My face is dried up, and this is it. This is what it feels like. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Please, if you made it to the end of this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also leave a comment below letting me know which products you think I should get. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it